Hey, that's cool. The GoPro video is lowering itself. The camera's lowering itself by its... All right, we're gonna do a soldering video. It's not really a how-to because I refuse to teach. Because those that can't teach, and I can. So, but most important thing is to have quality equipment when you're soldering. So an SMT, what is this? 2200, something kind of soldering iron works like a champ. Give Sam Isaacs a shout out for recommending that. Having a soldering jig to hold your stuff, that's also imperative too. Correct solder, same thing we've been using for the last 25 years. And boom, one joint pretty much done. That quick and easy. You want to make sure it's pre-tinned, and that's just putting some solder on everything beforehand. Kind of like you're making Rice Krispie treats and you want to just put butter everything so it doesn't stick to the pan. Get everything hot, liquidy. Now it's going to sit. We can blow on it if you like to blow. Then the next step is to take a piece of heat shrink and let's just cut it. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take this, tip it there, and we're just gonna do one because who wants to watch a long video on soldering? So you slide the heat shrink over top of it. It helps if you let it cool down long enough and you're not trying to rush through a GoPro video. And you take a heat gun. And voila, you're done. Now I'm gonna have to come back and tighten that one up a little bit because the heat shrink went around a bit, but you get the point. Just trying to do it quickly for a GoPro video.